And the typical board is 5 to 7 members, and they're usually appointed by elected officials or the mayor. And these are just members of the community that volunteer. They don't get paid. They're volunteers, and they're supposed to have varied backgrounds, like engineers, architects, designers, maybe builders. And usually requires a majority vote, but that can change. You know, that's not always the same. Sometimes it's a super majority or something like that. But usually it's only a majority vote. And some cities do allow you to lobby, I guess would be the right word, the members of the board. I usually don't do that. These are volunteers, and I don't want to take up their time. Unless this is something that's a major project in a larger city, then maybe I would consider something like that, because it's so complex, it's hard to just sit in front of them at a board meeting and explain everything. You can, one-on-one, like Teresa talked about, maybe influence them without having to try to do it in a board setting, which is at times a real challenge, especially for those complex type of scenarios.